Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4, and on this 2018 Toyota RAV4 we're going to go over how you replace this reverse light bulb. You've got one on both sides of course, but we're going to go ahead and just replace this one here. This light bulb is fairly easy to replace. There's no need that we actually have to remove the whole bumper unless this whole housing was broken. If this housing is broken, then you would have to remove the bumper. But we can easily reach up in there. You'll just have your car parked, the parking brake on, and the wheels chock so it doesn't move on you, and then you can be able to lay down and be able to reach up in there and unscrew that light bulb. So we're now on our back, laying under the car, and here is the connector right here that connects that light bulb in. So you're gonna just reach in there. You're going to turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise and be able to pull the light bulb element down. And then you just pop this light bulb out, pulling it out, and then you get a new one. And this light bulb here is a 921 for the reverse light bulb. Alright, so take our new one, line it up, snap it into place, and then we just take the housing back up in there, get the tabs to go in there, and turn it a quarter turn to the right or clockwise to lock it into place, and then be able to make sure you try to put that rubber grommet housing back up there to keep the moisture out. And so that's how you replace your reverse light bulb in your 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.